So I shuffled through YouTube for videos on tarot, and I found actually quite a lot of videos saying tarot is dangerous and tarot is the devil's work, and I was so scared when I used tarot, so I would never do it again. All these warnings about tarot, which I think are made with the best of intentions, so other people will not experience what they have experienced. So I thought about this for a while, and I went back through my own journey with tarot. I have to say that at some points in my life, I had the same experience, that I got a bit frightened, and especially in my mind, I thought, oh, this is like I'm using a deck now, which I think it's not. It's not nice. I'm scared of the cards or the images on the decks. Like I felt like this dark energy coming in. And well, now I only use a deck that's called Hanson Roberts, and it's really beautiful images on it. It's not, even though the difficult cards, they're not like scary images, but it's really a deck that honors the tradition in tarot and has all the symbolisms in many of the original old decks. So that's two things that I like about them. But I also like the feeling I get when I use them. So to me, it's really important to come across as a tarot reader of light and love, right? So that's why I call myself the loveliest tarot reader. It's not because I'm the loveliest person in the world by far, but it's because I feel that the way I'm using tarot, it comes from love. So when I go back to the times where I was frightened and I thought this is bad energies coming in, you know what it was? It was my own fears. It was my own demons, as you would say. It was my own fears about the source of things, about how different worldviews, how energy works, how the universe is created. I know all these questions about life and universe and creation and Gaia and spirit and all these things. So at the moment that I worked through all my fears and went through all my own trials and tribulations, all of this regarding the tarot was gone. Right? So in my experience, I think when people are afraid of the tarot, it's because it's pinching in on something greater than themselves, and they don't know really how to handle it, and it's easy to think that it's the tarot of the evil spirits, and it's not. It's your own fears, really. So this is my take on tarot as the dark, coming from the dark side. It doesn't come from the dark side. It's a lovely tool. It's a tool for self-development. You can use it for good. You can use it in the wrong way. I have some other videos where I explain how not to use the tarot, because it's it's not fruitful to use it in certain ways. So you can take a look at them, and maybe you can also gain a greater understanding of how you can use tarot for the highest good and for the love and the light in your life. So that's all. Bye.